triple unboxing series. We're going to start with United 737-800. As you can see, this is the Star Alliance series. Gemini just released this one, which is an interesting one. We'll talk about that in another video. The 767-300 in Star Alliance, and this one. So this is last month's release. The 777 is this month's release. I just got it yesterday, so that should be a very interesting one to look at. I didn't really feel like doing unboxings on just one of them until I got all of them, so we'll just hammer them out all in one. So here's the box. 737-800. 1378 is the model number. Ironically, this airplane, one of United Star Alliance 737s, is on its way to MSP right now. Also, a 777 from Gradient Air with the Rolls-Royce engines. So I'm going to go out and take pictures of that. But here it is, nice clean box. Let's open it up. Typical Gemini. There's a stand. There's the aircraft. Landing gear, black tail. Let's take a look. Standard 7.3 landing gear, press fit. Landing gear up. Double protection on this one, which is interesting. Ooh, a lot of antennas, kind of grabbing my gloves. Otherwise, here it is. Kind of a different nose paint on the cone there. It's different than other 7.3s we've seen from Gemini. All right. Set it down. Let's take a look at the landing gear. I'll take my gloves off for this. By the way, previous video we unboxed this Apple Watch. I know it doesn't match the red, but the white shirts, when I wear them to work, it matches that beautifully, which is fantastic. The white band and the gold color, it blends with my skin color, so it works well. very small. Wheel rolls. All right, there it is with the landing gear on. We will set it down and take a look at what it looks like. All right, so here it is on the ground. I do have to tell you that this display board, as you can see the details, it is all hand painted. We will be using this to display our next unboxings. You can get your display board right from this guy, Brad Myers. That's his email. You can email him, and it might take a couple weeks, but he will custom do one for you if you're looking for a specific scene. So most of them come on these squares. He does 1/400, 1/200, and 1/500. Now this is from last year's Airliners International, but that's where to get these cool display boards. It does have two sides as well. I will let you know the other side of this one. So this is a double-sided board, where the other side has two incoming pads. This side just has one, but I need to use this side because we have some wide bodies to unbox and they only fit on this side. So, but regardless, here it is. Our Star Alliance United 737-800 with Gemini ground service equipment all attached. Got the tail, black tail, kind of unique feature. Nose. Now this is the jet bridge here is a JC Wings jet bridge. I have the double jet bridge and the single jet bridges. This one is the clear one. You can also get a translucent blue and a translucent green. Now you see I don't have a terminal to attach, so we're looking at this as this would be sitting at the terminal like this. So if I zoom 2x there, You can kind of see POV view of this aircraft sitting on the ground at an airport. Just so you know, this jet bridge comes in this box. I did an unboxing with the A380 with this jet bridge. It does come with little fire extinguishers. There's 2 in this package, and there's different attachments for the jet bridge gate. This is a narrow body, so it requires this specific gate here, but the wide bodies are gonna require a different gate, so. But what a great way to showcase the new model. There's the landing gear. Split scimitar winglets. Someday I do want to get myself a terminal to go along with this, but for now, this is what I got. Inside the engines, we already saw, it does have the spiral painted on them, which is good. CFM 56 detail is good. We have a white strake. You can see the detail on the model. Beautiful model. I do have the standard livery Evo 737-800 and the 737-700 Evo from United. I don't have the Max yet. I still have to get that, but the antennas on bottom, beautiful detail. You can see the front nose shape is a little weird. I'd say above the cockpit windows is a little high, but that is Gemini's 737-800 mold. The 700, 800, and 900 molds are all different, so. Yeah. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna pause it for a minute. I'll see if I can get you any different angles. If not, we'll conclude. All right, thought I'd give you a little bit of a different angle here. This is the back side of the aircraft. I know it's in the shadow section, but just love seeing that POV airport view, the gate, all the ground service equipment. That's just a little piece of dust down there, don't worry about that. Here's the gate, air conditioner pack. I would like to display all these models somewhat together to you, so that's why I have all this ground service equipment out. Now the stair truck is too tall for the 737-800. And the 737 in real life is short. It's very short. It's the shortest commercial airliner besides your regional ERJ, CRJ type jets. So, box. So there it is. I think I might put it on the stand and show you around the model on the stand just so you get a good overall view of the model on the stand. But other than that, there's your POV view at the airport with the Star Alliance new release 737-800 by United. Gorgeous. Just the box one more time for you. All right, one last look at the model. Here it is on the stand. Just to show you the detail. The only real issue I see with it, other than the normal factory imperfections, is the landing gear doors. It sticks a little too far down. But that, in terms of overall imperfections, is not bad at all. There's our CFM 56 engines with the spiral on them. As good as detail is going to get for it. All right, that concludes our 737-800 United Star Alliance review. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure to stay tuned because these unboxings are coming right next for you. Enjoy. Peace.